Yes, yes indeed, he used to write graffiti. He made it look so easy, yeah, it's a little sleazy. Just another street kid trying to make some jazz music. And then I step to the point, rock with the joint. Come on everybody, let me prove my point as I spit the rhyme that comes out my mind. Every time, yeah, we gonna shine. Jazz destroyers, mixed with some copper pot. Remember that we still gonna smoke a lot and do what we do. Yeah, it's so damn pretty looking at the easy sound. Yeah, I'm getting down, it's that greasy. We're getting greasy. Made it look easy. Yeah, remember that the music saves your soul, so let's go. Just relax and maybe lose a little bit of control. As I smoke a bowl, sitting on the 405, looking at how I stay alive. And this ain't no job, this is how I did it. Rhymes are easy, looking super easy. Wanna take it to bank, to take it on back. Remember that show from the 70s, like way back? I'll be like Simon and Simon, and I make it so simple. Rhymes to the riddle, and I'll keep it all temple. Just to run up my fingers through my hair, still don't care, cause this is Beware, we make it easy. So easy. We make it easy. It's so greasy. Back to the point, just to prove the point. So much debating and I can't relate as I step off the world and I rip the sound. I'm known to break it down every time I come around. We blaze the bound. Strictly bubbling underground. Living up, mixing up the Topanga sound. Doing what I gotta do just to go and push through. Come on everybody, let me make it easy. So easy. Make it easy. Make it easy. It's so greasy. Go. Recognize the sound, colors and lights, I lay it down, Grown on easy point of view, this is what I gotta do. Hoping that you can come and listen to the crew. Yeah, as we slide on in the front and the back, ready to tack or verbally communicate. And yeah, it's just like that, it's never too late. You need to go and test your fate and make it look easy. It's so easy. We make it look easy. It's so easy. It's just like that, on a romantic track, staying in the moonlight, but it's feeling too bright, right? I gotta wear shades, it's sunlight. I guess I'm opening up my third eye, just to trying to multiply. Can you understand why? I gotta ask these questions, I gotta stress these lessons. But I'm feeling so blessed and I'm feeling toe test when I get it off my chest. Standing in the jam, son, waiting for the sun to come. Looking for the outcome, put them up. Come on. Yeah, I got a lot of questions, and I keep on stressing. Anxieties, atmospheres, open these words to see and feeling it so clear. Yeah, we sitting on a mountain, we're waiting for the sea to crawl. Y'all wait, but we can see it all. Just open up. I wanna groove on. Come on, yeah, yeah, yeah. Everybody just groove on. This groove's on.
Get that groove on.
Come on. Yeah, I got this groove on, like a group coupon. And I was singing like poo poo on. And do you really know the great poupon? Even the message that I'm really singing on. And if you don't know the words, it's cool. You can still just sing along and bob your head to this. And I'm mesmerized. I grab the microphone, I hit you with the calculus. My wordplay is just so damn funny. When it's so damn muddy, when it sails on, great, I keep the groove on. So y'all can move on and y'all can push on. And I can stay strong just to prove my intention. On a daily mission. Grinding for the main times. Yeah, grabbing in the right times. Yeah, come on. And then we groove on.
Get the groove on. Ooh, boy, don't you know? It's the time you let it go. Ooh, boy, don't you know? It's about time you let it go.
And it sounds so nice. 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 I use this mic like a device, a tool of a weapon just to make you think twice. And I'll step into your cipher, never been tired, but I know I've been a fighter, survivor. Lick of the shots, come on, bring it back. You don't call the cops, you're the neighbors. Yeah, we creaking on a Sunday, just trying to make my own way. Yeah, this the bread and butter, and everything in between is just gutter. And that's why I rock the mic and no wonder. I put my heart, my soul to no blunder. And then we freestyle to it, free minds and I free ride to it. Yeah, I'm a new jazz destroyer, cats don't know, but I will try to employ. Get your groove on, move on. Push strong, come on and sing along, take a hit. And that's word to the bong tone like Cheech and Chong. Come on, y'all, let's get it on. into this like third base. Come around and give you the gas face and just a little taste as I search for a Brooklyn queen. Doing your thing, you know what I mean? Yeah. And I slide to the left and I open up my mind as I rewind the sounds and I think of a different time when we could groove out, move out and just feel the vibes up in the air. And this is how we survived. And I'll be like on my Sunday night grind trying to stay alive, looking for the purpose as I move to the side. Cats don't understand it, but we don't speak no jive. Jazz destroyer, chest a copper pot, and that's how it gets done. So I got the gift to spit some vocab. I hope it don't make you mad, but it surely makes me sad sometimes to see this world in such a strange places, strange tastes, and even making out some strange faces. Even standing in the rain, waiting for it all to come back. The sunshine is where it is, and if you know how to relax, it's cool out, just max. And open up your mind every time we come around. I hope you understand we shine and we do it so clean. I break it down, y'all know what I mean. I like to rap a lot and I think she sings.